Good evening, students. In my previous lecture, I taught you or we discussed about advertisements. So we'll continue this. Advertisements. As we discussed that advertisements are of various kinds, and we did situations vacant. Now I'm going to start with situations wanted. Situations wanted. So advertisement number 2, which I want to tell you, is situation wanted. The important points for this type of advertisements are: we should include, number 1, include personal details such as qualification and experience. We should include qualification and experience. Then point number 2, indicate age and sex of the candidate. We should add age and sex of the candidate. Age and sex of the candidate. Then any other details are optional and can also be included. And indicate preferences such as type of job, area, locality. So we should indicate preferences such as type of job, area, locality, etc. Then next point will be, or we should add, that is, we should indicate expected pay scale and perks. Expected pay scale and perks, right? Then last but not the least, provide contact address and phone number. We should provide contact address and phone number. Phone number, cell number, whatever. Now, I just want to show you one format comes sample of these kinds of advertisements. That is, see, sample advertisement. Sample advertisement is, okay, question I'm giving. You are an electrical engineer in need of a job in or around Mumbai. Write an advertisement for publication in the local daily. So your format will be, see, these are classified advertisements. So it should be short and in a box. Okay. So first of all, because you are electrical engineer, so you should write your qualification, that is BE, and electrical engineer, topper from Maharashtra University, topper from Maharashtra University. Then with an experience of 5 years, within experience of 5 years, after that 5 years in a multinational, then seek a job in or around Mumbai, in or around Mumbai, familiar with Java, means you know Java, familiar with Java, C++, expected salary 25,000 per month. Then contact Mahip Malwa. You should contact Mahip Malwa, 953 Kandivali, Mumbai. Okay, so in this way you have completed your format. And now I just want to tell you what the things we have included as I told you earlier. First of all, you wrote your qualification, that is BA. You have added qualification, then and experience, right? Experience of multinational, and then preferences means seek a job in or around Mumbai, and that is your preference. After that, expected pay scale and perks. So this is expected pay and perks. Expected pay and perks. Afterwards, I told you should write contact address, and that is contact number and address. So contact address. So in this way we have framed this advertisement or classified. This small advertisement is called classified, and I gave you example of situation wanted. After that we'll include, or I want to tell you next kind of advertisement, that is sale and purchase of property. Sale and purchase of property, vehicles, and after that goods, etc. Goods, etc. So important points for this type are: preferably begin with the words sale, purchase, or available, wanted. So begin with sale, purchase, or available, wanted. Then state the type of accommodation, vehicle, goods in question. State type of accommodation, vehicle, goods. Type of accommodation, vehicle, goods, etc. Then give a brief physical description, contact detail, price, etc. Physical description, contact details, physical description, contact details, and price. Contact details and price of that property or goods. So first of all, we'll take property, sale and purchase. Property, that sale and purchase. So the important points in this type are: first is heading, second is size, floor, number of room, size, number of rooms, floor, whether it is flat or bungalow. So whether it is flat or bungalow, etc. Then for offices, covered area, carpet area, if seller purchase for office, so covered area, carpet area. Suitable for bank. Afterwards, location and surroundings. Location and surroundings. Then facilities. Like power connection, telephone connection, parking, washroom, shopping area. So these things you should include while framing an advertisement, and I want to give you sample advertisement, or sorry, format of the advertisement. So format. So first of all, this column should be there, and we have to include property for, we have to first of all we have to write property for sale, this we have to write, and we have to start with capital letter. As I told you, we have to start with capital letter. So, and we should write sale. So house for sale. Then afterwards we should write the location where that house is situated. So location we have to write. Then the rooms, floors, and about flat and bungalow, whether it is flat or bungalow, how many rooms are there, how many washrooms are there, and what kind of facilities are there. So these things we should write. The size of floor, number of rooms, here you should write size, number of rooms. Then selling price we should write here, selling price. Then here location we have written. Afterwards, surroundings, other attraction, if we have other attractions. Afterwards, contact details, So let me complete this, and at last we should write contact details, and in this way we can make a classified advertisement. These things we should include while preparing. First of all, size, and first of all we have to start with capital letter, and we should write sale. Then we should give location of that property. So we should give location. Afterwards, surroundings and all, where that flat or bungalow is situated. Afterward, other attraction which we have, which we can provide. Then selling price, and last but not the least, contact address of the advertiser, like contact Miss Isha. Then cell number or phone number should be written here, like 982-9011 to 3:1. So today we have learned two kinds of advertisements. One is property for sale and situation variant. So that's all for the day. Good day.